Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss the steps of machine learning. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. Any machine learning algorithm follows a common pattern or steps. So the first step is data collection. So the quantity and quality of your data dictate how accurate your model is. The outcome of data collection is generally a representation of data which we will use for training. And using pre-collected data by way of datasets from Kaggle, UCI, etc. still fits into this step. So now moving on to second step, and that is data preparation. It is basically concept of data wrangling, and data wrangling is a process of cleaning and converting raw data into a convenient format for consumption. Once data preparation is done, we will focus on data analysis, and in data analysis, data is analyzed to select and filter the data required to prepare the model. So after this step, we will move on to the next step, and that is choose a model. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. There are many models that researchers and data scientists have created over the years, and some of them are very well suited for image data, others for sequences, some for numerical data, and other for text-based data. So it means researchers or data scientists have created different algorithms for different tasks, so choose the right one. So now we move on to what is often considered the most important part of machine learning, training the model. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So in this step, we will use our data to incrementally improve our model's ability to predict the desired output. The model is trained on the training dataset through which the model understands the pattern and the rules which govern the data. The goal of training is to answer a question or make a prediction correctly as soon as possible. The each iteration or process is a training step. So now moving on to next topic, and that is test the model. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So the testing dataset determines the accuracy of our model. We generally test the model against previously unseen data, and this unseen data is meant to be somewhat representative of model performance in the real world, but still helps in tuning the model. So I hope it is clear to you. So now moving on to next topic, and that is parameter tuning. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So we tune the model parameters to improve the performance of the model, and the model parameters may include number of training steps, learning rate, initialization value, and distribution, and so on. So guys, moving on to the next step, and that is deployment or prediction. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So if the speed and accuracy of the model are acceptable, then the model should be deployed in the real system. And after the model is deployed, based upon its performance, the model is updated and improved if there is a dip in the performance. So I hope it is clear to everyone, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. And just in case if you liked it, so do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.